Ka National Medical Commission kabadai Khubor bahalordu bapet iki Jaka Pule Doktor hakari kalaai ke Jingmynjur Haduh sanpau tili ki seat Pule Doktor Shillong Medical College bahkan Sdang no nadu kani kasamoi Pule hajar arpusan Haduh arpu riu kani ke Jingmynjur kalabu ke Shillong Medical College kum ka wei naki arpu wei tili ki Medical College haki khatlai tili ki jilla ban yo ka medical seat na ka National Medical Commission Jaka la pentikna da Menteri ke Kot Kekhia Dr. Amprin Lengdo kabala pentep bakane ke Jing Pule Doktor kan Sdang no shwa ban kur jong nailur mentau snam. Ka Menteri kalaya thuru baki khmi denti baya ka Medical College kin yo ban Sdang no nadu unailur mentau snam.
Today is a very joyful day for the Department of Health as well as the government of Meghalaya because we have received information in writing and we have received a copy of the letter of permission sanctioned and notified by the NMC listing the Shillong Medical College as one of the colleges that have been approved by the NMC for functioning from this year's session, which is 25-26. Intake capacity of students is 50. We are now prepared for the starting of this session. We are also pleased to inform the candidates who have a wish and are qualified to apply for these MBBS seats as per the sanction of the government of Meghalaya, alongside with the counselling for the Shillong Medical College. Total number of seats received for the Shillong Medical College stands at 50. However, we are also happy to inform you that Meghalaya continues to get its quota from the pool of government sanctions. 94 number of seats have been allotted to the state of Meghalaya into various institutions, inclusive of institutions like Megrams, like RIMS Imphal. So, in total, our students today who have a wish to study and pursue a career in MBBS have a better option. And this is important, a big game changer for the state of Meghalaya. And yes, most importantly, our students now will be totally bounded to function within the state of Meghalaya, thereby automatically also attending to this acute shortage of doctors in our government facilities across the state. The medical college now is also poised to begin the specialization courses, which will be rolled out as and when the medical college progresses forward. So again, we will be lucky that our own doctors can avail a career progression while being in government services.